Today we got a video from Bodycam Real Files, and the title of the video is entitled "Driver Claims Private Property to Avoid Giving ID." Let's get into it.
No, because y'all is not, you was invading my rights. I know my rights. No, you cannot. You're invading my rights. No. What the fuck?
On May 21st, 2025, at 5:56 p.m., an officer pulled over Taina for erratic driving, but the stop instantly stalled in a driveway when she claimed police couldn't legally ticket her on private property.
10-4.
Roll down all your windows.
What?
You were driving all crazy all the way down W.
No, I was not driving crazy. You see me use my signals, didn't it?
Yeah, and you cut off the big old truck. You were going like
I cut off a big
50
truck
miles
and I
an
got
hour.
in front of him.
License registration, please. For careless
That's
driving.
not, no, I'm parked. You cannot pull me
Yes,
over
I
if
can.
I'm parked.
License
No,
and registration, proof of
no, you
insurance.
cannot. You
Give me
can't
your
pull
license.
me over in my yard, sir.
License and registration, I'm going to pull you out the car.
No, you're not. No, you're not at all.
Give me your
I'm
license
parked
and
in my car.
registration.
I'm parked on my property, sir.
It is a legal traffic stop. Now give me your license and registration. For careless driving.
You touch your lights when I'm already in my yard.
For something I observed on W. Now give me your license and
You should have pulled me
registration.
over on W.
I couldn't catch up because you were going 60.
I was not going 60.
License and registration.
Going 60. On your lights. Exactly.
Give me your license and registration. You're going to get out and you're going to go to jail.
No, I'm not. You can't pull me up out of here.
All right.
I use trip, but I'm gonna give you my license registration.
I would have greatly appreciated it because you can talk yourself into going to jail right now.
Way back.
What? What's your problem?
You should have did back there. You should
Yeah.
your lights back there.
I couldn't catch up.
No, that's not the law.
All right. Well, I appreciate your passion for the law, but you are ill-advised.
No, you're ill-advised because you're using your car.
All right. License and registration.
That's not my car. You can pull it up, run the tag.
License and registration.
Pull the tag.
Okay. License then.
I just sat here and told you that. What I gotta keep peeing myself for? There you go.
And definitely going to jail with that attitude. Call the backup.
Yeah, she was getting it. She was going. She smashed off south on, I think it was T Street, and then she turns right, comes out to W. I catch up, and she was fixing to turn right. She had ran that stop sign already, and then after she ran that stop sign, she decided she wasn't going to turn right anymore. She whipped it left, cut her car off, and then she smashed it again. She's going like 65. I'm just keeping her in sight, and then she cuts off this giant truck and whips down Pleasant.
What's the deal? She got a bad license or something?
I don't know. I'm running it. I don't know what the deal is. Lima 26. Thank you.
Expired or
It's just a normal tag.
Go ahead. We'll get Larry to come over here. Roll down this window.
Hey, stop pulling on my door, sir.
Open the door. Step out
No,
of the car.
I'm not getting out my car. You do not have the right to search my car.
I'm not
giving you the
car
right. None of that. No.
I have to step out.
No, I'm not. I'm not stepping out. Not at all. No, I'm not. No,
You don't.
I'm
You will
not.
be going to jail.
No, no.
Step out of the car.
Tell
You
me
can go to
what's the
jail.
reason why I gotta get out.
3:45. I'm on 7. Step out of the car. Unlock the car.
No.
okay.
No.
I don't know what happened. I ran it as a 2024 tag and it came up. It looks like
Come out the car. You need to come out the
Bust
car.
my
I'm only
window
going to
for
say it one more time.
Get out the car.
If you don't come, I'm busting this window. You come out.
No,
and
y'all
you
not
going to
finna bust
jail.
out my window.
Yes,
no.
I will.
No, you're not.
Get out
For
of the
what?
car. Get out of the car.
For what?
Get out of the car.
For what?
Get out of the car.
What is your probable cause?
Get out of the-
What is your probable cause? What is your probable
Come out
cause?
of the car. Come out. Get out of. I'm not.
No, because y'all is not. You was invading my rights. I know my rights. No, you cannot. You're invading my rights. No. What the fuck?
Get her on the ground. Get her on the ground.
Why y'all arresting me? Why y'all doing this?
You know, she's already got a bad attitude and a nasty attitude. But man, we gotta get the passenger together too, man, because the passenger is really instigating the situation. He's the one that's really he or she, whoever that is in the back that keep talking, they're the one that's really putting that battery in her back to really act out, you know.
Got weed all in the car.
Can I get my shoe?
No.
Come get me. Come get me.
Police back.
And tell me what? I ain't even
You got. Yes,
Yes, you did.
No, I did not.
Shut your mouth.
I didn't even resist y'all.
Yes, you
That's
did.
crazy.
Hey, you already gonna turn the lights on right now.
That is abusing y'all power, bro. Like OG. And you sitting here slanging me and stuff. Can I get my other shoes?
Oh, see? Yeah.
The confrontation ended with officers removing Tiana from the car after she repeatedly refused to show her ID, leading to a vehicle search that uncovered narcotics.
Ah, man, that uncovered, man.
Even though her drug charges were later dropped,
I ain't gonna put this in here.
You already grabbed the weed?
Yep. So, got out the cup, her out of the cup.
Yep.
And she kept trying to step on the stick.
All right. You got anything else on your person?
Can I get my shoe, please, sir?
I'm asking if you have anything else on your
No,
person.
I don't have nothing on my person.
All right, because it gets into jail. It's another felony charge.
Can you tell my, who you get my keys to?
Your brother, like you asked.
Can you tell him to go pick up my girlfriend for her job, Sunshine Learning Center?
Yeah, will
Can
do.
you get my phone out the car?
You can cut her loose. Once Collier's through.
Yeah, that one. That one. Putting that battery in her back, man. That's exactly what I was talking about. Cut her loose.
Please, sir.
Shoot.
Please. Ow! Ow! Hey, can you tell that dude right there in that car over there to call my girlfriend right there talking to your buddy?
What have you done that makes you think that I deserve to give you any favors?
Sir, I was just trying to understand.
No, you weren't. You were trying to obstruct because you didn't want to go for that weed.
No. Oh, no. I'll go for the weed. It's not even.
You are going for the weed.
I understand.
And the obstruction.
I was not trying to obstruct you. I
Yeah, you
promise
were.
you. I have been in trouble before, and I have vowed to myself not to get back in trouble, bro.
Well, you broke that vow.
And I know I broke that vow to myself.
you taking a
but I'm
ride?
just, oh my God.
I like this officer.
I gave you a million chances to do this cordially, and at every opportunity, you decided to go a different way. So this is the way it's going now.
I'm trying to understand. I don't know my law like you.
I know you don't. That's what I tried to explain to you.
You pull into the yard and stop eating right there. Probably where them people standing at the end.
That doesn't matter.
It's cool.
Come here.
It's cool. Please go get my girl. Go get Dominique.
Are you okay? You good?
Yeah, thank you.
I will ask you. I took my phone and shit. Like,
Hey, man, you can have the car and everything in it.
oh, the keys is in the back.
Go pull up. Can you tell my brother to go get my girl from Sunshine Learning Center?
We already told her.
Okay, right now.
See?
Follow her. Follow him. Sunshine Learning Center.
There you go. Hey, we're gonna
Sunshine Learning Center. Go get Dominique.
Quit screaming, please.
Sorry about that.
Tell him to hurry up and go get him.
Quit yelling, please.
It's crazy, man.
345, 1915.
Like that.
To TAC, copy beginning.
I ain't attack nobody.
I said TAC, it's short for the Tactical Office. That's where we're gonna go write your report. I ain't say you attacked nobody. You just obstructed. Yeah, you did
I
obstruct.
did, y'all. How 5, 6 men gonna help? How I'm attack 5, 6 men, my little short self.
Obstruction without violence is a charge.
Like a resistance.
All right, you can stop talking
I
now.
was sitting here trying to.
Because you don't know your law. We already established that. You don't know what in the hell you're talking about. You go into jail and you'll find out. It'll all be written in your arrest report for your felony narcotics and your obstruction.
Following the arrest on May 21, 2025, Taina was transported to the county jail for booking and processing.
All right. Hold on.
Observed on public roadways. The early morning confrontation escalated significantly when she repeatedly refused to provide her license or exit.
All right. Are y'all just gonna say what?
To 36 months of probation, a six found guilty of resisting an officer without camera footage proved decisive. In July 2025, she was found guilty of resisting an officer without violence, while the felony drug possession charge was ultimately dropped. Taina was sentenced to 36 months of probation, a 6-month driver's license suspension, and ordered to complete 50 hours of community service. Subscribe to Body Cam.
Okay. Probation. Well, she said that she vowed to herself that she would never get in trouble again. Horrible. That didn't work out too well, man. Anyway, That's the video.